The tea is fantastic. Thank you.
On behalf of thank you. It's known to be in the 4.5 generation kind of, when you think about your smart televisions. It has so many functions you can do with this smart MSDs, and it has an upfront control panel with a smart acquisition, airspeed, altitude, radar, altimeter, what have you not. So permit me around and show you the cockpit of aircraft. But before there are 7 hard points on this aircraft, meaning it can take a load of 300 kilograms. On each wing, it has 2 hard points. It can take either a drop tank for extra fuel to increase your range beyond the 1,200 nautical miles, or you can take extra bombs, missile launcher. It's capable of carrying 2 other missiles on each of the wings, making it a superb aircraft for both Motorola, in the sense of Motorola for air-to-air targets and then for air-to-ground targets, sir. Sir, permit me, sir, I can just quickly show you a brief of the cockpit, sir. Thank you, sir.
Two of these aircrafts will be airborne in a very short while. May I crave your indulgence to announce that at this time we will be honoring our distinguished guests with some token presentation. May I now most respectfully request the Chief of the Air Staff, Air Marshal Oladayo Amao, Distinguished Flying Star, to kindly step forward and make some token presentation to some of our very, very special guests. This presentation goes to the guest of honor, the Commander-in-Chief, Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, His Excellency President Muhammadu Buhari. A round of applause, please. The guest of honor would in like manner receive a token in his own right as the Honorable Minister of Defense. A round of applause. May I request we appreciate the guest of honor